Welcome to America Daily. We begin with breaking news coming out of Washington, D.C., where a dramatic security incident unfolded during the White House Correspondents' Dinner. Former President Donald Trump was escorted out of the ballroom after loud noises were suddenly heard inside the venue, prompting an immediate response from security personnel. Trump was seated at the head table alongside former First Lady Melania Trump when the disturbance occurred. Within moments, officers moved toward the stage, surrounded the area, and quickly removed him from the hall. Witnesses inside the ballroom described a sudden moment of confusion as attendees looked around trying to understand what had happened. Several guests were seen using their phones to record the scene while others remained seated. At this time, officials have not confirmed the source of the loud noises. Early speculation suggests it may have been a protest or another type of security concern, but no official statement has been released. Despite the incident, the ballroom itself was not fully evacuated. Many guests, including journalists, public figures, and invited attendees, remained inside as security continued assessing the situation. The White House Correspondents' Dinner is one of Washington's most high-profile annual events, attended by political leaders, members of the media, celebrities, and top officials. This year's dinner had drawn significant attention due to Trump's appearance. Sources indicate security teams are conducting additional sweeps of the venue to ensure there is no ongoing threat. Trump has not returned to the head table since being escorted away. We will continue to monitor this developing story and bring you the latest updates as soon as they become available. You're watching America Daily. Stay with us for more breaking news.